Hi friends, artist Resin here. Welcome back to my channel. This time once again I'm into this tea light mold. I don't know the shape, name and all. I can call it oval tea light mold. So I have this time also I have mixed very little resin and I have kept some pearls ready. Look at these pearl flowers. You must have seen them in my earlier crafts also. And these precious stones. So let's get started. I'll just add the resin first, then I'll add the stones and pearls. So let's get started. Okay, now we add the pearls. I need some spoons. So I'll add the pearls on this side. Now we add these blue stones on this side. The bubbles are coming up. Push down the stones. Need some more stones there. Stone to cover up this tea light area. I'm just trying to cover all the corners so that no bubbles are there. Gonna be awesome. Sorry, that was my daughter and she saw some jump scare video. Today they are having holiday as some inter-school competitions are going on. save these cake knives and all that, whatever comes with cakes. So that helps me in mixing larger quantities like this. I had mixed a larger batch and created some crafts, and they will be posted in separate video. Done. This was the last bit of pearls that I'm adding in it. As the resin is up to the mark. Now we wait for 24 hours and see how it looks after demolding.
Bye.